Hello guys and welcome back to another Animal Company video. In today's video, I will be exploding people with C4 inside of war codes. But enough yapping and let's go ahead and let's get into the video. So basically how this method is going to work is I'll get a piece of sticky dynamite and make sure it has basically nothing left on it. Then I'll put a little activator on it. Then I'll just like hide it behind the shop. And then when somebody goes to buy something, I'll just go like, here's how it would look from a different POV.
Thank you. You're such a pookie.
Got him!
Oh, Schindler! Oh, my God!
2 for 1. You can actually go in your stash, and then you'll get your thing back. Who the heck just did that? Where's my getaway vehicle? Yo, where did my ray gun go?
Oh, see, yo, get your lights on. Wait, chill, bro.
Got him! Got him! Yo, I keep getting this guy. Yo, bro, you're not me. Yo. Yeah, drop that, buddy. Who do you think you are trying to steal my idea? Little bro, you ain't me. Yo. Got him. Oh, I could have got 2 for 1. I mean, bro, how did you die? Yo. Yeah, get it? Yeah.
Ooh, I want this fish.
Hold up.
Is it me or did that one?
Guys, get the zip line down. Oh, they're bombing that area, so I'm gonna put it here.
That's what it is.
Whoever killed you did for you.
Got him! Ow, I'm gonna die. Holy moly.
I'm super low.
Yo, I hate this game. Never gets old. It really never gets old. Alright, now I'm gonna try something that's definitely probably not gonna work. But I still am gonna try it, because it might. So I'm just gonna say, like, we're doing a big giveaway and stuff. Hopefully they'll come and then I'll just explode the whole place. Just kill somebody. Yep. Guys, come to stage 4 for giveaway. Come to stage 4 for a giveaway. Chat, we're doing... Oh, for I'm on this channel, on the wrong channel. Guys, come to stage 4 for a giveaway. We are doing a big giveaway in stage 4.
You're lying. You're killing us.
No.
Oh, yeah.
He has a bomb. I know.
You're wearing a suit.
But I'll still go in. Yeah.
Yeah. Kill.
Giveaway.
Guys, my timing is
giveaway,
good.
Don't try
My
that.
giveaway.
They're gonna kill you.
Guys, what are you talking about? Did y'all not just see the giveaway?
They lied.
Guys, I just did the giveaway.
Go to stage 4. Attack.
Alright, guys, yo! They're plotting against me. If I can sneak my way,
No.
if I can sneak my way in.
I'm lagging so hard.
No, I got.
Open
I
up.
got. Always.
Got him! 2 for 1. Let's go! It worked! Kinda! After I brutally got murdered. Oh my gosh, run. Guys, the giveaway is over. We're no longer doing the giveaway. I can't do the lag.
What? Oh, Visa from BB
Trust me, I got it. I got an idea.
What is it?
It worked! I told you.
I did do it.
About the nerd.
Sir, I did not mean to do It was a misclick on my controller. Because I have the valve. I'm just kidding.
Everyone.
Oh, we got him! I didn't think it got him. Let's go. Hey, bro. So you see, that was a misclick on my controller. He sniped me. I have no weapons. Look. I can't even kill you. I have no weapons. It's a new glitch. Hold up. Let me show you it. Just go like out there and then just like, I'm gonna do this and do it. What do you mean? What? It's not connected to anything. I have both of them. They're for ASMR. Anyway, never mind. So are you gonna bomb me?
How long I can survive?
What?
For so
Did it not kill you? Oh, we step into safe zone at the last second. No.
US military shoots me down.
Can you come here real quick? Yo, can you come here? Look. I have no weapons. I have no guns. I can't shoot you.
Tanks. US military.
Follow me.
US military is uniting the armed forces.
Yo!
Winter. See ya.
Chat, this kid just bombed me. Get out of my lobby. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure to go ahead, like, subscribe, and hype the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.